Okay, what's up, clan? This is IslandTraderFX here, and we're back after a small break. As you could see, the background is a bit different because I'm here with my friend Malika Rose. She's behind the camera smiling. But regardless, this video is pretty much a reaction, and you may see me fall asleep in the video, but it's only because I'm trying to grind for y'all. But let's get to the video. And we're locked in until the year ends. First video back, we'll be doing a reaction to a well-known YouTuber, Doyle Exchange. I would say a fairly big name in the trading industry, and we're going to watch him live trade. So let's see what he has in store for us.
This is going on.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. Today's video is another live trading video. Right now I'm in a demand setup on US 30, Dow Jones, and the break of the candle happened right here. Now, we were just floating in profit, but now we're about to be in drawdown a little bit, and hopefully this could be a good win on a Monday. Last week I went 2-1. That was a pretty good week. It was Memorial Day week, and we did pretty good. But it's a whole new week. This is NFP week. I sent this out to the Discord, and hopefully we can get a win. I'm expecting it to break past this point right here, but we're getting a little reaction right now. But hopefully we can continue to push up, because I think we have news at 8:30. Let me check real quick. Oh no, we got news at 9:45. Okay, so yeah, we got news at 9:45, and hopefully it breaks the 50 SMA. I don't have it on, but hopefully it does, and we can get the win. So let's see. And I'm actually about to let them know that we need to break the 50 SMA.
Bear in mind, Doyle is someone who I would say is solely reliant on indicators, but he still uses his indicators. Me personally, I prefer time and price. I prefer an empty chart. I feel like time, price, it speaks to you. The chart itself, the candles itself speak to you. An empty chart, it speaks to you. It tells you where it wants to go. If it wants to be bullish, if it wants to be bearish. So I'm not a big fan of indicators. Um, but I know for sure he's one of those who definitely uses his 200 SMA indicator, and I think it's for to figure out the overall trend of the market.
Because if it don't break the 50 SMA, then this is probably a loss. So let's see. Like, my take profit is above these swing highs right here, so we definitely need that to get some momentum off of this. But yeah, man, so far, TraderFX have definitely been helping me out. Like, I haven't really been using anything else besides TraderFX on the future side. I still got a little bit of money in an unregulated broker. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I don't know if I'm just gonna take all the money out, but yeah, I've just been using futures platform. Like, I haven't been using anything forex related. So just a little update for people that be asking me about brokers. All I use is TraderPay. Like, that's literally all I use. Okay, so this trade is definitely not looking well right now. We needed to spike up. We really needed to spike up for sure. But we got the 50 SMA right there. But if we get a momentum candle to break past the 50, we should be good.
So we could see earlier on his PNL. First of all, you could see his PNL on the bottom right. We could see he was floating in profit about $2,000, I believe, and right now he's back down to 500. Um, One thing I dislike doing is sitting and watching my trade run out, play out. Sorry, I feel like that is one of the most unnecessary things to do. All it does is just cause mental fatigue. You've already planned your trade from the get go, and now you're sitting down and you're watching it play out tick by tick. Right? It's just mental scarring, mental fatigue, because eventually you'll feel like adjusting your stop loss or adjusting your take profit or doing something. Um, so if you were to ask me personally, after I enter that trade, I close the app. Simple.
Man, now we back in drawdown. Now, I can either hold or just stop at break even. I still genuinely feel like they have more to push up. I'm gonna just be honest, man. I feel like this setup is just another uh, New York reversal. London was bearish, New York should be bullish. So I don't know, man. I feel like I should still hold this trade, even though I was up 3,000 now, negative 500, 600. I feel like this is still a good trade to hold. I don't know. I'm definitely cutting it close, bro. So I didn't close anything. Yeah, that's probably about to hit my stop loss.
I don't know if I heard it right, but I felt like he said he's about to close or cut it close. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. So you enter a trade, and now all of a sudden you're in the red, you're in drawdown, um, and you start to think, is that trade going to play out? What's happening? As always, the market has to retrace, right? The market never moves in a straight line unless it's news and only for a given period of time. So if you want to go bullish, of course the market will retrace and go bearish for a short period of time before it continues to move bullishly, right? And that is why I said if I plan my trade and I execute the trade, leaving the app open and watching it play out tick by tick would just be stressful.
All right, so I just added another 5 contracts on top of the 25 since we're already kind of dipping back into my original entry. So I'm going to hit an extra 5. And I'm honestly, let's go 35. Let's go 35.
Order filled.
All right, so now we 35 contract deep. Now we're super deep into this trade right here. Now, I originally had 25 contracts, just added an extra 5, then another extra 5. So now we're at 35 contracts. Now, I'm not doing no more. I'm not doing no more. Just gotta push up now. Just gotta push up now. The goal is for it to not break this low because it's still following market structure. We made a new high, it didn't break the low. So we're making higher highs. So hopefully we can get a push right here. But this is risky, to be honest. I normally don't do this because I would have just closed easily at this first take profit right here, which is this swing. But it came back, and I still feel confident it's gonna push up even higher. So that's why I added to this position right here. And mainly, like when you add into your position, you want to add when you're not in profit, because if you're adding already in profit, now you have more to go. So I feel like I did pretty good with adding more to this position right here. So let's see, man. just trusting market structure at this point, bro. That's the only thing I got right now. That's the only thing I got. The only thing about this trade that I just genuinely just kind of don't like is the 1 hour gap that's on US 30 right now. That's the only thing. Other than that, I'm going off a 5 minute market structure. That's the only thing that's just making me want to hold. We're not making lows. We're still making highs. Like even if you look at this low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. But once we break any one of these lows, then it's probably going to be a loss. So let's see. All right, so since we're just going sideways, let's talk about this trade right here. So again, I could have won already. This could have been an easy 1-to-1. It would have been like a $3,000 win. Then it came back. I got in aggressive, but not really aggressive because I just got in where I initially got in off the break of the candle. And that was pretty much it. But now I feel like they're stalling into the New York Stock Exchange open. So this is considered consolidation up in this area. We're literally not moving anywhere. We need some buyers to come in. That was a crazy spike right there. But this is what happens when you try to hold your positions. Like people ask me, why do you always try to go for a 1-to-1? I don't always try to go for a 1-to-1. That's my first target. That doesn't mean I'm going to close, okay? That's just that's my rules. That's my trading plan. 1-to-1, and then we go for a larger RR on the 5 minute chart. Now, we got 8 minutes until the open. We're getting some nice movement right here, but it got to close up there. It still haven't closed up there yet, so I don't know, man. But this is why I like scalping, man. Like this trade happened at 7:30. It's about to be 9:30. I've been in this trade for almost 2 hours. Like, come on, man. That's why I like scalping. I don't even know why I held this trade. Like, for what? Greed? Oh my God, what the hell is going on, bro? Bro. 922 buyers just come in out of nowhere? Oh my goodness, bro. It's almost to my first take profit. It's almost to my one to two. Oh my God. This is looking good. This is looking good. All right, let me get ready, bro. Okay, keep pushing. Keep pushing. Like, what's going on? Let's keep going.
He's speaking to the market.
There we go. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was just amazing. I didn't even close. It spiked so damn fast. What we got? We got 5,300, 5,000. Damn, I should have closed right there. I don't know why. Don't be having enough time to do anything in the market, dog. I was just trying to see. God damn. Oh my God. Come on. Didn't even have enough time. I should have closed. Fuck.
Should have, would have, could have. Mental scarring again. When you have the opportunity to close, you close, right? When you feel like, how would I say it? When you feel like, when you start to feel the pressures of the trade, you start to wonder, should I close? Should I leave the trade running? And all that sort of stuff. Just make a decision. It All this mental scarring isn't worth it. If you're floating in profit and the profit looks good, and for some reason you're trying to make an extra, if you floated in profit and the profit looks good, and for some reason you're trying to make an extra $100, yeah, let that be. Let that be. Close as long as you start to feel uncomfortable about the trade, and you starting to you starting to oppose your will on the market, basically asking it to push higher or push lower, let that trade be. Either you take your profit and you get out, or you close the app and you let that trade run.
We got 30 seconds on this. Oh, I'm out. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I'm out, bro. See, that's why I don't play with open, bro. But yeah, so let's break down this trade right here.
Okay, so that's pretty much it for the video. Overall, good trade for Doyle. He still came out with the W. He still ended up winning the trade. But what I want you to remember, if you're a trader or if you an aspiring trader, you're looking to get into the industry, psychology is important. Don't allow your trade to dictate how you feel, right? As long as you plan your trade, as long as you take your time out and you plan that trade and you execute, let that trade be. Close the app, go and do something, and come back 2, 3, 4 hours from then. Cool? Cool.